Welcome to our vlog. Today, we will discuss the benefit of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. So, what is ICT?
ICT means Information and Communication Technology, refers to the services industry that capture, transmit, and display data and information electronically.
Information refers to the knowledge obtained reading, investigating study, and research. The tools that transmit information are telephone, television, and radio.
Communication is the act of transmitting message. It is a process of information between two individuals using symbols or verbal interaction. Communication is important to gain knowledge.
Technology is scientific knowledge, experience, resources to create process product that will fulfill the human needs. Technology is a vital communication.
Anything you read, hear, see in a form of text, image, video, or audio is considered multimedia. We can employ multimedia in virtual reality, business, classroom, and public spaces.
Multimedia gives people to access a wide variety of information that just one click away. Getting in touch with someone from far away is possible, thanks to help of ICT.
What are the benefits of multimedia in 21st century?
Multimedia gave both teacher and student comprehensive access educational resources to help understand 21st century pieces.
It sparks the creativity of both learners and educators.
It makes learners extend beyond the walls of classrooms.
Students can learn more without having to travel far.
It improves the student problem solving and communicating skills.
It engages the students and become more participative in class.
And that's all for today.
And don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, and click the notification for more upcoming videos! Bye-bye!